Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It all kind of came out of the box already, but it says Gourmetop Classic 3-piece knife set, and these are, they come like this, and it comes with a little sheath on it and everything like that, and look at that. It's like a Damascus looking one, but I don't think it's Damascus. It's like a printed on, little squiggles. So the idea was to make it look Damascus, but it's not exactly. It's this Damascus pattern one, but it's pretty cool. I mean, it's not a ridiculously expensive one, but I have used the Gourmetop knives before, and they are sharp and they can do everything. If I try to cut the paper here, and it's gonna cut it without a problem. You see, it just cuts right through a nice clean cut, and it'll cut chicken and meat and stuff like that. I don't have anything here to cook right now, but you get the idea. And it came with a, let me take all this out. It has a little paring knife like that, and it comes with a little bit bigger of another knife here, and then it came with the regular kind of butcher's knife. So pretty cool, nice little set, and it looks cool. And I have a knife block, and so that is like see-through, and so I think it'll look cool in there. I won't leave the plastic on it. I'll just stick them in there. So really cool. I like it. So thumbs up.